Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Group Float is probably one of the most versatile and exciting ways to experience the water, offering a unique blend of relaxation and social interaction for friends and family alike, transforming any lake, river, or pool into a vibrant hub of shared enjoyment and unforgettable memories. Number 5. Intex 58837 EP River Run 2-Person Lounger. Introducing the original River Run, designed for adults seeking performance. It's perfect for floating down the river, enjoying a lake day, or simply relaxing by the pool. Constructed with extra thick, puncture-resistant PVC, this lounger stays cool to the touch. Enjoy ultimate comfort with supportive backrests and convenient built-in cup holders. It features 5 air chambers for superior buoyancy, 2 heavy-duty grab handles, and a surrounding grab rope for added security. Keep your favorite drinks close at hand with the integrated cup holders. It's designed for you to relax and enjoy your time on the water. We design, build, and test all our products to the highest standards. You can trust in the safety, quality, and value of this innovative product built to last. This lounger is designed for 2 people, with a weight capacity of 440 pounds. Enjoy your adventures together. What we like? This is the original River Run float, designed for adults who want performance. If you are looking for a durable and comfortable option for tubing down the river or just relaxing in the pool, this is a great choice. Its puncture-resistant material and comfortable features make it ideal for a day of fun on the water. What people say. The group float is designed to accommodate multiple people, making it ideal for family outings or gatherings with friends. Its durable construction ensures longevity and can withstand regular use in various water conditions. The float features multiple cup holders, providing convenient access to beverages while enjoying time on the water. Number 4. Bestway CoolerZ Tropical Breeze Party Island. Introducing the Tropical Breeze Party Island, your perfect companion for a day on the water. It's designed for ultimate fun and relaxation for everyone. This large inflatable lounger comfortably accommodates up to 6 adults, with a generous weight capacity. It's the ideal size for gatherings with friends and family. Constructed with durable Inflatable material, it's built to resist punctures and stretching. Enjoy maximum stability and strength for endless fun. Relax in built-in, extra-wide pillow rests that transform into comfy chairs. Strong handles and grab ropes make transportation on the water a breeze. Beat the heat with the detachable sunshade, offering protection on sunny days. The mesh floor allows you to dip your feet in the water while lounging. This giant lake float comes with 6 cup holders and a portable cooler bag. Keep your refreshments close by as you enjoy swimming and partying with friends. What we like? This party island is perfect for large groups looking for a fun day out on the water. If you're planning a beach party or a day at the lake with family and friends, this float offers ample space and comfort. The detachable sunshade and included cooler bag make it ideal for extended relaxation and entertainment. What people say. The float is very sturdy and holds up well. It's a good size for multiple people to relax on. The material is durable and easy to clean. Number 3. Intex 58854 EP River Run Connect Inflatable Floating Lounge. Get ready for the ultimate adventure on the water. This float is perfect for tubing down the river, lake, or simply relaxing in the pool. Crafted from extra thick, puncture-resistant material, it stays cool to the touch even on the hottest days. Enjoy a comfortable backrest and stay hydrated with the built-in cup holder. The mesh bottom keeps you cool while you cruise. Plus, easily connect with friends floats using the included connectors for even more fun. With durable grab handles and a generous weight capacity, it's designed for your ultimate relaxation and enjoyment on the water. We prioritize safety and quality in all our designs. Experience affordable innovation built to last for countless water adventures. What we like? This float is designed for those who love to connect and socialize on the water. If you enjoy creating a larger floating oasis by linking multiple tubes together, this is the perfect option. Its easy-to-use connectors and mesh bottom make it ideal for staying cool and close to friends during river trips or pool days. What people say. The float is very stable and easy to get on and off. It's large enough to comfortably fit multiple people. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. AWEMUFA Water Hammock Float. Introducing the AWEMUFA Water Hammock, your perfect companion for summer fun. It offers unparalleled comfort and relaxation on the water. Its unique suspended mesh design keeps you cool while your head stays comfortably above the water. Enjoy a truly unique floating experience. Crafted with heavy-duty materials, this float is built for durability and stability, whether you're at the lake, pool, or ocean. Available in various sizes, it comfortably accommodates individuals, couples, families, and groups of friends. Comes with a hand pump for quick inflation and a convenient carry bag for easy transport and storage. Enjoy hassle-free fun. Featuring reinforced mesh and durable construction, it's designed for repeated outdoor use, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. What we like. This is a unique floating hammock that offers a different kind of relaxation. If you're looking for a way to stay cool and comfortable while floating, with your body partially submerged in the water, this is an excellent choice. Its suspended mesh center and heavy-duty construction make it ideal for tanning and socializing on lakes, pools, or oceans. What people say. The float is designed to accommodate multiple people, making it ideal for group outings. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and stability on the water. The float features ample space for everyone to relax and enjoy their time together. Number 1. Intex Laguna Splash Island Water Raft. Introducing the Laguna Splash Island, your perfect companion for a day of fun on the water. Take it to the beach or pool for ultimate relaxation wherever you go. Enjoy superior comfort with its supportive backrests and mesh bottoms that keep you cool. Each detachable tube offers added safety and stability with its dual air chambers. Crafted from extra-thick, puncture-resistant PVC, this raft is built for durability. It's designed to withstand your adventures, and a repair patch is included for peace of mind. Getting on and off is a breeze thanks to the integrated boarding platform and sturdy grab handles. An all-around grab line ensures extra security for everyone. Keep your friends and family close with 4 easy-to-use connectors. This island offers ample space and support for everyone to enjoy the water together. What we like. This island raft offers versatility with its detachable lounge tubes. If you want the option to float independently or stay connected with others, this is a great choice. The boarding platform makes it easy to get on and off, making it ideal for families or groups who enjoy a mix of individual relaxation and group fun at the beach or pool. What people say. It is a great float for the whole family to enjoy together. The float is large enough to comfortably hold multiple people. It is made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.